Magiging producer na ang mag-asawang Dennis Trillo at Jenilyn Mercado. Inanunsyo ni Jenilyn sa Instagram na nagtayo sila ng asawang si Dennis Trillo ng production company, kung saan ipinakilala niya ang production company na Brightburn Entertainment. After 20 years in the industry, Dennis and I are trying on new hats, this time as producers, as we formally put up our own production company, called Brightburn Entertainment, ayon sa post ni Jenilyn. Ibinido pa ni Jenilyn na ang kauna-unahang business meeting ng kanilang production company ay mismong sa Netflix Philippines. We are very excited for this, and just want to share with you these photos, our first ever official meeting as a team, with no less than Netflix Philippines. Thank you so much po Sir Vito, Benny and Luis for spending some time with us and for discussing opportunities we can explore in the future. Looking forward to working with all of you, dagdag pa ni Jenilyn. Ayon sa Ultimate Star, magiging partners nila ang kanilang mga managers, sa pangunguna ni Becky Aguila ng Aguila Entertainment, Katrina Aguila at John Enriquez.